Be ready? Start. When marriages crack, homes split, and parents drift into separate lives, it is often the grandmother who quietly takes over school runs, meals, medicines, and midnight fevers stop, acknowledging her role as the immediate source of security to the child after marriages disintegrate. The Punjab and Haryana High Court has held that a maternal grandmother can walk into court and demand maintenance for the child she is raising. Stop. The High Court has held that a maternal grandmother in actual care and custody of a minor child is competent to seek maintenance on the child's behalf from her father. Stop. The bench has made it clear that such proceedings cannot be defeated by technical objections about guardianship, as it is the child's right that is being enforced and not of the person representing her. Stop. The law does not merely adjudicate disputes, it intervenes to protect those who cannot protect themselves. Observed justice. Stop. The case has its genesis in a challenge by the father of the maintainability of proceedings initiated by the maternal grandmother. Stop. His core objection was procedural. The mother was alive and the natural guardian. Stop. As such, only she could institute the claim on the child's behalf. Stop. The High Court refused to let the dispute turn on labels. Stop. At the outset, it must be remembered that the right which is sought to be enforced in the present proceedings is not the right of the grandmother. Stop. Nor the right of the mother, but it is the right of the minor child. Stop. The child is the real claimant. Justice held. Stop. Justice asserted Section 125 of the CRPC dealing with maintenance was a welfare provision designed to prevent destitution and neglect. Stop. The bench held maintenance was not limited to survival. Stop. It does not signify mere subsistence but a dignified standard of living. Stop. It takes within its fold food, clothing, shelter, education, medical needs, and all such essentials as are necessary to secure to a child a life consistent with dignity. Justice asserted. Stop. Maintenance, therefore, is not a bounty but a rightful entitlement of an individual. Justice observed. Stop. The bench observed the parents' marriage in the present case ended in divorce by mutual consent accompanied by a financial settlement, part of which was earmarked for the child. Stop. The mother later entered a second marriage. Stop.